We all know that feeling of wanting someone to miss you, right? Whether you're in a new relationship or just trying to bring back the spark, making a guy miss you isn't about playing games. It's about creating the right balance. In this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful ways to make a guy miss you and keep that connection strong. Let's dive right in. Number 1, give him space. First up, the most important thing you can do to make a guy miss you is give him some space. We all need our own time to recharge and focus on our individual lives. By not being overly available, you create a sense of mystery and longing. This doesn't mean playing games or being distant, but giving him the room to miss your presence will naturally make him think about you more often. Number 2, keep things fun and light. Men often connect with positivity and fun energy. When you're always the one initiating deep conversations or drama, it can get heavy. Instead, plan spontaneous dates, send fun texts, or just show your playful side. A guy will definitely miss that vibe of fun and carefree energy that you bring into his life. Number 3, focus on yourself. Focus on your own life. Take care of your passions, hobbies, and goals. When you show him that you are independent and have a full life outside of him, he'll start to appreciate your presence even more. When you're busy living your best life, he'll miss being a part of it. Trust me, there's nothing more attractive than confidence and independence. Number 4, leave little reminders. Leave little reminders of you. It could be a text saying something sweet like, "I was thinking about you today," or a funny inside joke you both share. When he's alone and sees or thinks of those little reminders, it'll spark memories of you, and he'll definitely miss the connection. 5, be a little unpredictable. Last but not least, be a little unpredictable. We all love a bit of excitement, and keeping things spontaneous can keep the spark alive. Surprise him with a thoughtful gesture or change up your routine a bit. When things don't feel too predictable, he'll start wondering when he'll see you next and miss the thrill of your presence. So those are my top 5 ways to make a guy miss you. It's all about balancing space, fun, independence, and leaving a little mystery. But remember, the key is to be your best self while allowing him to miss you.